This 2017 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36Y is a Class A RV. It is located in Middlebury, IN 46540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2017 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36Y is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.